Push the button. It's all dark in here. Oh. So I can give it a shake. Woo! Yeah, woo! Is it kind of right? See, that's what we got at Zoo Lights last night? Huh? Sitting on Mom's lap now. Mom can't see. I don't know what we're taping. Still playing. Alright. Now give it a shake. Got a lot of crazy video here. In the dark. Oh, we gotta push the button. There we go. Now we're back on track.